As you can see for yourself, freestyle nice and colorful.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Horain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Yeah, freestyle, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Now we're back in the kitchen today, guys, and I'm telling you guys, I'm in a good mood today. It's 70 degrees outside, and you know, say in New York City, when you get 70 degrees, you feel like Christmas. So you know what I mean? It's a vibe. So right now we have some corned beef and we have some cabbage right here. So I'm just gonna chef this up right now, guys. So just stay tuned for the menu. Soon come. Let's cut up the cabbage. I'll about some cabbage and corned beef today, guys, with some white rice. Freestyle way, you know what I mean? Real way. Yeah, guys, sometimes we have to got some greens and some other things, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's not all about the meat and the steak and them things. Sometimes we got show back and we got some, you know what I mean, some simple cooking, you know what I mean? Yeah, so it's all about the corned beef and cabbage today with some white rice. Nice menu, guys, so just stick and stay. Keep watching, freestyle. Cutting up my cabbage. I don't want to cut the cabbage too big, freestyle, so I mean just keep it at a moderate size. So freestyle, after cutting the cabbage, I'll go ahead and wash the cabbage, guys. Also, I normally wash my cabbage like about 3 times. Get a nice wash. Cabbage and corned beef freestyle. A nice one, trust me. You know what I mean? You want your food to always have some color, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's one thing with me. Like I just always like my pot is full of color, you know what I mean? So like, as my sweet pepper, I will use like 3 different colors. The red, orange one and the green one, because I just like to see when the pot is colorful. Cutting up some sweet pepper. Freestyle. Then after cutting up some sweet pepper, I'll go ahead and cut up an onion. Peel off my onion, guys. Wash it. I cut my onion in rings, and I'm doing stuff like this. And I'm using 1 onion, guys, as you can see. After cutting up the onion, guys, I will go ahead and add some scallion. Yeah, so to get the most of my scallion, I normally just crush it. Some people cut it up, but I crush it like this. And you put it in. And I'm going to add some thyme. Wash my thyme and put it in. And the next thing, guys, I'm going to add the next piece of sweet pepper. This is the green one I'm using. As I said before, guys, I like when the pot is colorful. Add some green sweet pepper. Nice and colorful freestyle. Then I'll go ahead, guys, and cut up a carrot in it. It's all about the cabbage and corned beef today, guys. It's a very delicious menu. So Sometimes you want to go simple. These are stuff you can do. Simple and easy. Yeah, guys, I was out on the road all day, guys. Getting my car clean and doing some modification and stuff like that. I'll have a video coming out soon, guys, so just stay tuned for that. Now I'm back here and it's all about the kitchen. It's all about the corned beef and cabbage with some white rice, so you can stay for that, my freestyle nation. Now freestyle, as you can see, guys, looking nice here, guys. Nice and colorful. I will now go ahead and add some black pepper to it. So a small amount of black pepper. After adding the black pepper, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. After adding the all-purpose, I'll rub everything together freestyle. I mean, you want your cabbage to have flavor, so you add your spices and stuff like that, you know what I mean? It's freestyle. Now, freestyle, I already know my style. I don't cook up my pimento green. I'm gonna add some pimento to it. Now freestyle, it's time to cook. So just stay tuned. So freestyle, I will now go ahead and add some butter to the pot. We're using butter instead of oil. Now it's time to put the cabbage in. You can see for yourself freestyle, nice and colorful. Nothing like a colorful pot, guys. On beef and cabbage, freestyle way. Yeah, guys. Now that I have the cabbage in the pot, guys, I'm going to cover it. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to cover it. I know allow it to steam for probably like about 10 minutes, and then I'll add the corned beef to it. Stay tuned. So freestyle, while cooking, I'm going to have a drink. Yeah, so we have the white this and we have the that and we have the this. But freestyle, I'm going to have a drink right now. You know why I'm going to have a drink while I'm cooking? I'm about to tell you. Pour some Hennessy. I'm gonna chase it with some grape juice freestyle. I don't have my cranberry, so it's all about some grape juice as the chaser. Now freestyle. Cheers to 1K. Couldn't have been possible without you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Just keep on supporting the videos by liking the videos, sharing the videos. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, feel free to come over, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Again, guys, cheers to 1K. Salute to all the viewers and subscribers, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? The guys them who share the videos and, you know what I mean, left the comment them in the comment section, the likes, and guys, I appreciate y'all so much. This means so much to me. Very colorful. I'm now gonna cover it and allow it to steam for probably like the next 5 minutes. Soon come freestyle. So freestyle, you know, I have some white rice here cooking. You know what I mean, to go with the cabbage and corned beef. Cabbage is being steamed down now, guys. Soon ready. So yeah, stick and stay. Freestyle. Yeah, freestyle, so the cabbage is now cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and warm the corned beef. It's been a while I haven't eaten corned beef freestyle, but today So how about some corned beef and cabbage? Opening the corned beef, guys. This idea to have a key and a can is so unique. Shake it out. Yeah, freestyle. It's all about the white rice, the cabbage and corned beef. Freestyle way, you know what I mean? So right here you have it, guys. I mean the corned beef. I'm trying to crush it out. And it's now time to put it in the pot. Yeah, freestyle. So as you can see, the cabbage is looking nice and lovely, guys. I mean, very colorful. I'm gonna go ahead and add the corned beef. I had the corned beef freestyle. Now I'm going to stir everything together. Cabbage and corned beef freestyle way. You can see for yourself, freestyle looking nice and lovely. I mean, very colorful. Got that freestyle. Cabbage and corned beef. Doesn't get any better than this, my people. Sometimes we have to go some little simple cooking, you know what I mean? Not all about the steak and the fish and the, you know what I mean? Sometimes we got throw back and we got some greens and some vegetable and things like that. So, in the meantime, I go and simmer down freestyle. The white rice over here, so I go and steam down too. So you don't know freestyle, just stick and stay, guys. Soon come, freestyle. And corned beef with white rice. On the side here I got some veg to go with it. So looking nice and lovely, guys. As always, dish them always shot. So as always, freestyle, just keep on supporting the channel by liking the videos, sharing the videos. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, you're welcome. The door is still open. Subscribe and join the movement. So until next time, freestyle, you already know, catch you in the next one. 1K celebrations freestyle. You already know. Catch you in the next one, peeps. I'm out.